And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your ZTE Blade A72S. So in the first step, go to the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm using the Easy Fax, so we can launch it now. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. Get something from the gallery. Select your message that you want to send and click import. Now add as a shape to your document and click arrow icon. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for the receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, select country from the list. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it, click on this button and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.